Still using a static logo? Let me show you how to bring it to life. Your logo deserves more than just sitting on a white background. Want to create a professional logo reveal like this? I have put together a simple step-by-step tutorial on YouTube. Just click the link in the comments below and create your own. Don't forget to subscribe. Branding tutorials. Before you scroll, here is what you will find on this page. Easy design tutorials, branding, content creation, and career tips. Leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's keep learning together.
So to create your own logo design, you come over to your Play Store and you type Renderforest. This is how it looks like. Then you open up like this. So if you have not registered, you can go ahead and register. So there are so many things you can do on Renderforest. This is how it looks like. You can actually do a long AI video. You can do a short AI video. If you have been using this thing before, you will notice that they just brought this long AI video newly. It was no longer there. As in, what they have before is just short AI video, video editor, AI image, outro, AI templates, explainer, and visualizer. So there is an improvement on this app. So now, for the purpose of this class, we are going to intro and outro. You click on it, you have a whole number of templates to choose from. So when you look here, you see some of them that have badges. This one that have badges is a paid or pro template, so they will not allow you to use. So there are so many free ones you can actually click on. Okay, you can actually use any of them for your YouTube intro or your outro. So I'm going to choose a very beautiful one that I can actually use for my logo creation. So when you want to also create for your brand, you scroll and choose the one that befits you. So now this is the one I want to choose. I want to use a dark theme, so I want to choose this one, solid logo reveal. So I'll click on create now and I'll choose 10 seconds. So this is how the interface will look like. So you come here, you see where they say your logo here, you tap on it, it will take you to your gallery. If you notice, when I tapped on it, it opened up to gallery, use camera, stock image. So I'm going to click on gallery. It will go take me to my gallery, and I'll choose the logo that I want to use. This is the logo I want to use. Then I'll now navigate to where they said test field 1. So when you click on it, they will ask you to put in your tagline. If you don't have a tagline for your business, you can ask AI to assist you with a tagline. Okay, so you can go over to ChatGPT and ask it for your business. If you don't have, you can actually narrate it for it. It's going to give you a tagline. So now I already asked it for mine, so let me get it and input it. Okay, so now I'm going to write creating brands that stand out. Okay, so you come over here and you type it, creating brands that stand out. Okay, this is it. You click done. Then you see the next field, test field 2, that's description here. So they want an 8-character description for your brand. Okay, so let me click from here and see what it's going to give me. So I want to describe what I'm creating, because these are the things that are going to appear under your logo. So let's see. So this is it. I'll click on done. So now that I've clicked on done, this is how it's going to appear. So you can go ahead now. If you want to change style, you can change it here. If you look down here, you see these 4 dots. It shows that you can swipe from your right. If you reach the end, you can swipe to your left. So when you look here, you see that this logo have different designs and different colors. So you can go ahead and choose any one that catches your fancy. So I want to choose this golden one. It matches what I want to create. So that's why you're seeing this green mark on it. If you choose another one, it will go there. So I want it to be on this particular one. So when you have selected the template that you want, you come here and click preview. Let me click preview so that it will show me how it is going to look like. So when you look here, you see fast preview with watermark. Remember, we're on free version. So when you pay for the app, it will now allow you to use their pro version. So this time around, they are preparing your media. So you have to be patient until they prepare it. So now it's already exporting. So you allow it to be in 100%. Okay. So it's applying the audio. Okay. So now our logo is ready. Are you seeing it? Very beautiful. Are you seeing it? So now they're asking us to download with watermark or HD, no watermark. So this one that has crown on it is for the pro users. If you have paid for the app, you can download with no watermark. So since we did not pay for it, you go ahead and download with watermark. So it will bring you here. So when it brings you here, you go ahead and save. You go ahead and save the video. Okay.